tutorial to know the price value of Robux points in various currencies in Roblox. This will help you to see actual currencies value of any items available in Roblox shops, inventories, catalogs before selling or buying the items even for your Roblox avatar. It will provide the information when you are selling shirts, pants and converting your Robux into the actual cash. Great, that's another source of earning in Roblox. If you see, I am moving my cursor on Robux points and it just showing the points. But I don't have information what is the cost or cash value in currencies. Look the other item. Let's browse more items. Avatars, no clue what is their price or cost. It's just displaying the Robux points. To solve this problem, I have installed the BT Roblox, making Roblox better and would like to enable it. BT Roblox, or Better Roblox, is an extension that aims to enhance Roblox's website by modifying the look and adding to the core website functionality by adding new features. I am able to see cash value of my Robux points. Let's browse more items. Each and every place, we would find the values in the cash. We can change the cash value according to the country currency or our local currency. I hope you will agree with this awesome feature. Now tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial is fruitful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.